case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Dealing with a plate full of legal issues, the famed Old Country Buffets, the food franchise operating under Buffett's Inc., had accused Paul Klinke and other associated parties of a gastronomical misconduct. They were allegedly charged with pilfering trade secrets. The company had argued that their recipes and operation manuals held intrinsic value and secrecy, warranting them the status of trade secrets. The dispute eventually landed the parties in a heated legal battle, with Buffett's Inc. seeking justice in a district court. Stirring passions of justice and trademark nuances, the lawsuit charged the Klinkes with violation of Washington's Consumer Protection Act, alongside the accusation of misappropriating trade secrets. However, the district court, in a surprising turn of events, granted summary judgment in favor of the Klinkes, thereby dismissing Buffett's Inc.'s much-touted claims. This in turn led Buffett's Inc. to carry their case forward and appeal against the district court's decision. Yet standing firm on its initial stance, the Court of Appeals served a bitter dish for Buffett's Inc., echoing the district court's verdict. The judges defended their decision, stating that the recipes lacked novelty and fell under generic American cuisine, the type one could commonly spot across the country's numerous buffets. Also, the operation manuals in dispute were revealed to contain basic food service wisdom and instructions, which were not sufficiently protected to qualify as trade secrets. In a final serving of justice, both the district court and the Court of Appeals upheld their verdict, maintaining that neither the recipes nor the manuals were trade secrets. This ruling was firmly rooted in the observed inadequacy of Buffett's Inc.'s measures to preserve the supposed secrecy. Thus, dousing the flames of Buffett's Inc.'s heated accusations, the courts reaffirmed the Klinkes' victory on the Consumer Protection Act claim. The journey of this culinary conflict, therefore, ended in favor of the Klinkes as the recipes retained their commonplace status, while Old Country Buffett's claims were tossed aside like cold leftovers.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.